Today I'm going to show you how to modify your Ryobi 18V sprayers to accept TeeJet nozzles. This applies to the 1 gallon P2810 model as well as the 2 gallon 2830 models. Although the factory nozzle does have a fan spray pattern, it's not very consistent, and I was looking for a wider flat fan spray pattern, which is very typical for those who are spraying weeds. I just feel like it has more even and better coverage compared to the factory setup. This idea I got from the lawn forum, so all the credit goes out to them. I just want to make this video to help other people do the same thing. So let's get started. Okay, first and foremost, you're going to need a TeeJet nozzle. The most common one recommended is the XR11004VS. The second thing we need is an adapter. The factory threads are M14 by 1.5 millimeters, and we need it to convert to a 3/8 inch, which is the standard. After you convert to 3/8, I need to use an elbow. I am using something called Chapin 6-8148. This is called the replacement elbow kit. All these parts are relatively cheap. They're $10 or less, so it's a really quick and cheap mod. To swap the parts over, you're going to begin by removing the factory end, the nozzle. It might be a little bit tight, so you might have to use a pair of wrenches, one on each side of it, to break it loose. Whether you want to use plumber's tape or not, that's up to you. I used it where I could, but I don't know if it'll actually make any difference. You're then going to screw in the adapter nozzle. The next step is to screw on the replacement elbow. It's just a piece of plastic. It should go on pretty easy. From there, you just put the included washer and then the TeeJet nozzle. And then they have a ring plastic clamp kind of thing that you just screw on to tighten everything up. I think it's a good idea to test with water instead of chemicals, just to see if there's any leaks before actually spraying outside. So here's just some video of before and after. On the before video, you can see that the factory fan pattern is okay, but it's quite limited in width. So when I was going through my entire yard, I would have to walk and kind of wave the wand left to right, left to right. Moving on to the new TeeJet nozzle, it's a lot wider, a lot flatter. You can just hold out in front of you. Both of these are at knee height, and you can see that it's a lot wider, it's a lot more even. It's not perfect. The pump, from what I heard on the sprayer, is not exactly rated to the nozzle, but from what I see so far, it seems decent enough. The only drawback is that it might take longer than it's supposed to spray your entire yard. The flow rate is just not exactly matched up, but I think it's still a good starting upgrade, and if you need upgrade sprayers, you could do that at a later time. If this helped you in any way today, please hit the like button and subscribe.